a practical guide to hacking techniques for bug bounty hunters. The Bug Bounty Hunting course consists of 8 hours of online training. It covers all bug bounty hunting methodologies used by BHEH, consisting of 4 chapters, starting from reconnaissance, going into attacks, learning how to think outside the box, and creating comprehensive and structured reports. This course will also include enough techniques to let you hunt for vulnerabilities using the best tools and the ways to conduct them. Learn how to think like a hacker, using a specific mindset that requires a certain way to combine multiple pieces of knowledge gathered from Linux to coding, while manually integrating them into your bug bounty methodology. You are competing against many other security researchers, so if you use the same tools the same way, you will most likely end up with a duplicate. By avoiding automated tools, you can eliminate false positives using manual techniques. It also includes a certificate of completion, enhancing your presence in the information security field. Sign up at blackhatethicalhacking.com/courses and upgrade your hacking skills now.